Welcome back to a new Millie's Remodel update. Today we're finally giving the kitchen function by installing cabinets. As a reminder, this is what the kitchen looked like when I bought the house. After removing the old cabinets, I discovered mold and consequently had to remove the drywall and the flooring. It's been quite a process building the kitchen back. Early on, I hired Elizabeth Burns, a local interior designer, to help me come up with a floor plan for the kitchen. Now I can't wait to get started making those plans a reality. So here's all the cabinets. They're all stacked in there too. There's a ton of them. Not a ton, but anyway, I gotta carry them all inside by myself, and some of them I know are super heavy, so I've pulled right up to the door. Wish me luck. All right, it says 2-person. I'm the only one here, so hopefully I can do this. After assembling the cabinets, I slid them into place in the kitchen. It would have been nice to have a helper for this, but sometimes you just have to make do. So starting to put the cabinets where they go in here. I need to put together 2 more cabinets, 3 maybe, 2, 3. What I really want to show you is the kitchen, because I have all the cabinets where they're going to go, but obviously this is a fridge cabinet, so it goes up there. That's the range hood cabinet, so that goes there. But I have the cabinets in, and I'm really feeling the layout now, and I really like it. It feels like there's a lot of room. Definitely a lot of room for 2 people, not a lot of, excuse me type of activity in the kitchen. This guy is a big cabinet pantry that I got, and at first I was kind of thinking, I don't know, it's a little big, but the microwave is going to go here, and then I'm also going to put some coat hooks behind the back door so that it can be like a little mudroom area. Happy Tuesday! I'm down here at Millie, and I think I'm going to just do a short day today because I still have to finish packing for Austin, leaving tomorrow morning. But let me show you what I'm working on. Putting in some cabinets maybe. Here's the scoop. This is my plumbing for the sink cabinet. We also have an outlet for the dishwasher. So I've already cut my holes, and this one might have been a little bit off. See, I'm not perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this base cabinet in. Let's see if if I've done my measurements and all that stuff correct. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because it's just me and I've got to drop it on all this stuff. You guys a little bit of a tour because I had a good stopping point and things are really starting to take shape. The good news is that we have all the cabinets installed except for this big bad boy, but got the back cut out for the outlet, so it's ready to be installed, but everything else is installed. Hey, there it is. There. How many handy gals does it take to put together a drawer? All right, so that wraps up another day, another Monday. It was so fantastic having both Stephanie and Jen helping me today. If you're not following Jen or Stephanie, you guys need to follow them up here. Anyway, Jen was here today. She's a fellow flipper in the area, and she wanted to know how to install cabinets. So I told her, it's not that hard. Come on over, you can help me install them today. And so we worked together installing them, and I'll show you what they look like now. But in the meantime, make sure you are following Jen and Stephanie. All right, now I'll tell you what we're doing here. So this is the left cabinet. There's a range in the middle, and this is the right cabinet. The problem is that this sucker is like ½ inch high. So we now need to lower this. So what we're doing is I'm trimming off the base of the cabinet. I took off the toe kick, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that at an angle so that it'll fit in there. But sometimes you have to cut the base off the cabinet. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Good morning, back down at Millie after an evening at the state fair. I think I'm good for another 2 years. It's fun, but man, anyway. I just get a little bit cuckoo with all the people around, and all the noise, it just gets to be a little bit much. But it was still fun. Went with my son, and his little friend and his friend's mom. So had a great time last night, but ready to work again today, and I'm actually going to try out a new assistant today, see how that goes. Yeah, because I need to get somebody to help me on the days that Stephanie can't help me. So yeah, today we are going to hopefully install the range hood here, and then we've got to get this cabinet installed. Shouldn't take too much time, and then might go shopping for countertops because I definitely need to go ahead and pick those out, and they're going to be templating the countertops next week. So I need to have that, what material I'm going to go with, picked out for next week. But otherwise, it's looking awesome. So glad for my helpers, so glad. All right, so got the hood hung, but I need one more piece of ductwork to attach these guys. But that's pretty much done, which is great. Got this cabinet installed. My assistant helped get the doors on everything. And we got this range, which already is collecting stuff. So I also got the stove at the Best Buy outlet, and I like it because one, it has no back. Two, it has the glass actually sits on top of the countertop, so nothing falls between the crack. So I need to go ahead and get that in place for tomorrow so they can template for the countertops. And so other things I have to do today, I've got to connect this duct for the range hood. Wish me luck on that. Good morning, down here at Millie's Remodel. I have kind of a short day today because I got to take the kids to the dentist. Anyway, it is what it is, parenting and contracting. Anyway, I want to show you what I have to get done today and what we got done over the weekend. Ductwork is all attached. Doesn't it look great? I need to go ahead and I'm going to build out something to cover it, but I'll show you. And I also need to add the mastic. So got it all connected, and I need to go ahead and put mastic around all the joints, and then I'm good. This is the mastic for ducts or duct sealant, and I just painted on all the joints and painted over the tape, and then we're good to go. All right, so just trying to get through some of this punch list stuff. I have a bunch of little things that I need to finish up. One of them is to finish putting the cabinet knobs on, cabinet pulls, knobs, no, pulls on the cabinets. And then I also want to put in the toe kicks too, because I have my miter saw with me today, and I want to go ahead and knock that out so that maybe I won't have to bring that with me tomorrow. Other things are I got the handles for all the cabinets. I went with the same thing for both the drawers and the cabinets. I like it. Got them from Amazon. Got a good deal. So hopefully these will work out nicely. I ended up putting a small microwave in the pantry cabinet. Personally, I don't like seeing the microwave on display in a kitchen, and this hides it away nicely until people want to use it. It's been a busy week, but I'm thrilled that all the cabinets are installed and we're ready for the countertop installers to template. Next week, I'm going to take you shopping with me at the countertop warehouse. In the meantime, I think I'm going to take the weekend off and relax. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.